All right, now we're doing 8Q All-Star Code Challenge number 18. This is by Shaddy Jr., and 92% of the people like it. This kata is intended as a small challenge for Shaddy Jr.'s students. All right, we're going to create a function that accepts two string arguments and returns an integer of the count of occurrences. The second argument is found in the first one. All right. If no occurrences can be found, a count of 0 should be returned, right? So basically it's just going to say, give us a count of how many times the letter, the specified letter occurs in the string, right? So it's asking, here's the arguments right here, string and letter, all right? So here we go. We're going to do this, set up shop over here. And with this, we're going to be using string.prototype.split. The split method divides a string into an ordered list of substrings, puts these substrings into an array, and returns the array, all right? So basically, here's a string right here. And we're going to do string.split. So if we have nothing in there and we run it, it's just going to be the whole string. If we split it by the spaces in between characters, like that, pardon me, like that, and it'll do it by the spaces in between all the characters. If we do it by the space right there, it'll do it by the spaces, right? And let's just say we're going to take Fox out, right? Run it. And so there's two things. So as you can see, if there's only one thing getting taken out, there's going to be two elements of the array left. So let's say string.split fox.length, run it. It's going to be 2, like I said. So if we want to know how many times Fox was taken out, we're just going to say -1, right? There we go. So that's pretty much exactly what we're going to do. I'm just going to take this whole thing, bring it over here, all right? And instead of Fox, we're just going to put letter, because letter is already in quotation marks when it's in the when it's getting inputted. So test it out. Perfect. Attempt it. Excellent. All right. Submit it. And I very much like this, and this is what my first solution was. And then I saw this solution, and I just said, oh, yeah, this is definitely better. So best practice on this one. And I guess big shout out to Zozo Fautra for getting this one first. All right, and we'll see you next time.